Black is the color of my true love's hair.
Welcome to Made Cuisine. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Hey y'all, it is your girl Roge. I'm back again, and today I am doing what? Getting more plants. Why? Because I don't know how to stop myself. But let's see what we're going to get today. We're going to get some, oh no, this is the organic side. Y'all know I am not an organic gardener, but you know, I can make it work with some fertilizer. Let's see. Actually, I don't think any of these herbs I want. Last year we did not do that well with the tomatoes, so we're not going to do that this year. I'm a porch mama. So that squash, although I want to and I would love to grow some from seeds, we're not going to do that. That's not a plan for us. If you're asking, I'm at my local Lowe's out here on the south side of Lafayette. Oh, we could get some chamomile. No chives. There's chives all right here. We're not gonna do that. No cilantro. No. We could do lemon balm. I want to see how that grows. And these are container varieties. I don't always get container varieties because, like I said, I can make some fertilizer work. But it's easier if I do get the container varieties. These are, the chamomile is an 80-day to harvest and the lemon balm is 68. So I have time. It should make it through the first frost before I actually harden them outside to sit by themselves in a pot. So I have time for that. I'm not doing flowers this year or this season. I've done some research, but not enough to actually use them in my products like I want to, because I'm more foodie. I'm a big foodie. But I will do more research so I can figure out which plants work well for hair products and how it can benefit us when we're using them, especially the difference between perennial and annual. I mean, they're good for drying. I can always dry them. Let's see what else they have over here. That's more flowers. Let's see what the vegetables. I did say vegetables. Vegetables. These are the big packs. I don't need big packs. I'm an at-home porch mama. I don't need all that. Okay, so around on the other side. And guys, I actually went to Home Depot, and Home Depot had zero, like not a seed. I couldn't find a sunflower seed. I couldn't find a pumpkin seed. Hell, I couldn't find a tomato for a tomato seed, okay? Like they had nothing. They said all of a sudden one day, they came in and everything was gone. Like no notice, didn't tell anybody. They were still sending like customers to get seeds from a certain section, and they were gone already. Again, I can't do corn, even though I really want to. I am a corn eater. I know it doesn't digest, but I love to eat corn. I just don't have the space to grow it. I don't do any root plants, of course, because it's harder in the containers. I just choose not to make it easier for myself and save on some room that I have at home. Let's see. Oh, now they done put all this right here. Look at this little bitty space. I'm a big girl, okay? Who child? Fix the juice. Ooh, okra. Okay, so I am going to do okra, and I'm probably going to do different types of okra because okra is so good for your hair. And I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to put somewhere around here the benefits of okra for your hair. Like, people don't know how good it is. You can make a gel with the okra, like to just put on your hair. It's very moisturizing. But all of that information is going to be added on to this video so that you can see it and you can test out some recipes for yourself. Ooh, we are definitely going to do green beans. So I'm going to get some blue leg. We're going to get 156 blue leg. I thought they had a Louisiana strain of green bean. That's what I really want. Chow peas down here. They have cauliflower, carrots, cabbage, celery. Ooh, cantaloupe. If I could grow cantaloupe. Let's see what else. Oh, I am doing some peppers. Girl, y'all know. You know your girl can grow some peppers. Excuse me. I had to belch. Y'all probably can't hear it, but I had to belch. Let me see. What other beads? If you see something that I should get that I am not getting, please let me know. Let me know so that I can add it when I come back. I mean, it's down the street, so I can easily come get some, pick it up, add it to my garden, put it in some soil and let it start sowing. I'm not doing cucumbers. And did I get peas already? Y'all, help you, girl. I can get some sugar snap peas. Get some peas and that sucker. Cayenne blend peppers. Ooh, y'all, it's gonna be a minute. Y'all know I do have Tabasco peppers on my porch, which are a version of cayenne. And they're the short ones. They're short and kind of stubby. But look at the days to harvest. Whoo, child, that is over 3 months. We gonna be here a minute. Oh, we could get some habanero. Those are 75 days to harvest. So about 2.5 months. And you know, if I get these cayenne, the long thin ones, sorry, it's only 60 days to harvest. So I can get both and I can compare them and look at them and see what we can do. Let me see. Ooh, lima beans. I don't eat that and I'm not going to do that. I haven't done enough research on it to look. Your girl going in this little bitty space. Pray for me. Let's see what okra. We can get some Clemson, emerald. Oh, Louisiana green velvet. Oh no, there we go. Louisiana green velvet. We're gonna get that. Yeah. And what else do they have down here? Some more sugar snap there. Some emerald over here. I think that's it. I think this is gonna be good for me this month or this week or so. I'm going to say within the month. By the time December hits, I will have all of these in the ground and I will have an update for you so that you can see what all I purchased and how it's growing and if I will be a murderer by the end of the month. But y'all have a good evening or good morning whenever you're watching this. Good afternoon. Make sure you find a reason to laugh today. I am, because I'm in the store with my kids. They're just not right beside me right now. But that's it. Find a reason to laugh. Love you. Bye, cousins. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Let us know what you want to see from us because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.